Welcome back to Aura Tech, where we simplify tech for you. Today, we'll show you how to install Google Chrome on your PC in a quick and hassle-free way. Start by opening any browser you already have on your PC. In the search bar, type Chrome and hit enter. Simple, right? Look for the link that says Google Chrome for desktop. Make sure it's the official Google site. Click it and you're halfway there. Once you're on the page, you'll see a big inviting download Chrome button. Go ahead, click it. A pop-up will appear asking where to save the setup file. Just hit save and your Chrome installer will be downloaded to your PC in seconds. Locate the file you just downloaded, check the bottom of your browser or the downloads folder. Double-click it and let the magic begin. Chrome will now download and install. It might take a few minutes, so grab a coffee or stretch your legs while you wait. Once Chrome is installed, it may ask you to sign in. For now, just click Don't Sign In. You can always do this later when you're ready. You might see a few optional steps pop up. Just hit skip, as shown in the video, to keep things simple. And there you have it. Google Chrome is now installed on your PC.